This red buoy can save lives, but only if you know how to use it. Today, you'll learn how to use a rescue can the right way. From equipment setup, to water entry, to towing and victim control. The rescue can is one of the most iconic tools in lifeguarding. Hard, light, and extremely buoyant. Modern rescue cans are made from tough polyethylene plastic. They're hollow inside and filled with air. This gives them excellent buoyancy, even in rough conditions, and strong support in open water, including for multiple victims. Even 3 victims can hold on to it and be stabilized until more lifeguards arrive or more help gets to the scene. The rigid shape is reassuring for the victim. You can grab it firmly, lean on it, and feel supported. In surf, that extra flotation helps you use the energy of the waves and speed up the return to shore. But the rescue can also has limitations. Because of its size and shape, it can be slightly harder to push through breaking waves on the way out. Unlike a rescue tube, it does not lock the victim in. And because the rescue can is rigid, it can hurt the victim or yourself if you are not careful during approach or towing. Here, safety comes from your technique and from your position in the water. And that is exactly what we are going to train now. In one of our previous videos, we covered how to control the very first seconds of a rescue from the tower. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is on screen and description. Here's a quick safety setup tip. When the rescue can is on the ground, you can manage the rope to avoid tripping while running. First, put half the rope length over the handle. Then place the strap in line with the handle, so you can grip the handle with the rope secured inside the strap. With your free hand, place the strap over your neck. Now you can run holding the handle and the rope together. This keeps your movement clean and controlled. Grab your fins next and go. From patrol, this is another way to recondition you can choose to use. Start by keeping constant tension on the rope. Wrap the line tightly around the can, always passing under the first layer. Make sure each turn stays snug and clean. In our setup, we add a small twist at the end so the Velcro lands perfectly on the grip area. Now let's focus on water entry from patrol. When the alarm goes up, move immediately toward your victim. While running, arm your rescue can by pulling the black cord. Then slip the strap over your shoulder and across your chest. As soon as you reach shallow water, lift your knees high to cut through the water faster. When the water gets deeper, switch to dolphin dives. Dive forward with both arms extended, fins in your hands, and let the rescue can float behind you. Time your dives under breaking waves. After diving under a wave, you can give a short pull on the rope to guide the pointed end forward, letting the force go into your arm rather than your shoulder. Go deep to avoid the impact zone. Push off the bottom to resurface efficiently. Multiple victim. When approaching, slow down, stay calm, put the rescue can between you and the victims. Let them grab it, reassure them, ask for backup if necessary. In calm water, you can tow while swimming on your back, or use a side stroke to keep both victims and shore in view. If a wave is coming, close the distance, secure their position. Single conscious victim. The victim can hold the sides of the rescue can and positions their body flat, face down. You tow from behind, keeping control of the can with the rope. If a wave approaches, shorten the distance. Pull on the rope. Secure the contact between the victim and the rescue can. Then continue towing. Weak or unconscious victim. Your first priority is the airway. Clear it. Lift the face out of the water. Technique 1. Slide one arm under the armpit to keep the rescue can tight against the chest and trap the victim's arms on the can. Depending on the situation, your other hand may stay free to swim, to signal, and to protect the airway when waves hit. Or, when more control is needed, bring both hands in to secure the victim and the rescue can together. In heavy surf, if a wave is about to break directly onto the victim, you may roll over them and shield their face with your body. Technique 2. Position the rescue can behind the victim's back. Lock both arms under the victim's armpits. Tow with one arm passing over the shoulder. Your other hand remains free to guard the airway when needed. When more control is needed, bring both hands in to secure the victim and the rescue can together. Technique 3. Slide one arm behind the victim's back and hook both arms under theirs. Bring the rescue can into your arm so the buoyancy comes from the can and your forearm supports the body. This technique is for unconscious victims only. A conscious victim would likely resist this position. The rescue can is not designed for final extraction on land. Once you reach shallow water, leave it aside and switch to proper carry or extraction techniques. Every rescue situation is unique. Conditions change, victims react differently, and your ability to adapt is your greatest asset. Train often, stay curious, stay sharp,